Measure the nose wings with sizing template to choose the right size. Open the mask package. Take out the user manual, headgear, and mask successively. Extend the headgear onto the table with the logo facing down. Put the mask body onto the headgear. Connect the mask with the 3 points of the headgear. Leaving the last one released. Place the mask onto the nose and then pull the headgear over the head top. Connect the last point of the headgear with the mask. Adjust the 2 points of the upper headgear simultaneously. And then adjust the lower headgear in the same way. Pull the mask slightly to recheck the fitness. Take apart the headgear from the mask. And then disconnect the cushion assembly with the mainframe. A click means correct assembly when the cushion assembly and the mainframe are reassembled. As for the headgear reassembly, please refer to the chapter of assembly.